Oh, great! Another postcard from Gertie! I wonder where she is now.
Dear Ari, I'm having an immense time in India. It is so interesting here. This is an ideal place to invite friends. Let me inform you and inject some imagination. Wish you were here, Gertie. Is I, the name is I. The sound is I, the name is I. I is for igloo, indoor is an innocent amp. I is for insect that infests the igloo. The sound is I, the name is I. The sound is I, the name is I. I is for ink making an indigo illusion of an iguanodon. I is for iguana with an insect infestation. The sound is I, the name is I. The sound is I, the name is I. I is for in the iguana's belly are many insects. I is for India where the infant inventor lived.